I'm a dirty little. Just imagining someone doing that. Someone that like looks like my character, like looking at you, like, yeah, I'm a dirty little boy whore. Hey, yo, Kate, I'm a boy. Fucking Wilfred Brimley comes up to you and tells you he's a boy.
What if we
Fucking
held
robot-
hands, JK, and less, in the new Ford F-50?
What if we both had diabetes? and we kissed.
When your brother touches your thigh at the Thanksgiving table. That's how it feels to drive a Ford F-150.
What if we put our Minecraft beds together?